Hi guys, in this video we will polish the car after painting. Often in order to save money, the owner undertakes to paint the car with his own hand, or turn to master who does not have sufficient qualification. And the room in which the work with the car body is carried out cannot boast of perfect cleanliness, it's still a workshop, not an operating room. As a result, dirt and dust particles adhere to the coating. Various defects appear. For example, if the owner takes on work without qualification, then by this action, improves spraying of paint is to seek consistency, creates the effect of an orange peel, like this. But before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. For the wet method, waterproof paper with a grain size of 200 to 400 is required. Friends, also I want to show you how the orange peel looks after vanishing coating. The inner surface of the coating is covered with a small white dots, like this. Of course, after sanding with sandpaper, nothing of this will remain. Now guys, determine the timing of the work, since the machine can be polished only 3-4 weeks after painting. During these days, the paint work will dry completely. The work area should be well ventilated, well lit, but not exposed to direct sunlight. Before starting work, thoroughly clean the surface of the car from dust and dirt. Plastic and rubber part of the car must be glued, and the working surface must be thoroughly degreased. To polish the body with your own hand after painting to a shine, prepare the following tools: sandpaper 200 and 400, polish with different abrasive, spray, lint, free napkins, polish wheel, felt and soft foam, a grinder or drill with a special attachment. Friends, after the surface of the part has become completely made and there are no defects left, then in this case you can start polishing the car. Then they move on to the second stage, the actual polishing. Before buying an abrasive pasta, it's advisable to consult with specialists, since its type depends on the thickness of the paintwork. In rooms with high humidity, due to low quality thinner or high pressure in the spray gun, it happens that the paintwork is made. After the paint dries, the prick effect may also appear. In other words, bristling bubbles. This happens if an intermediate drying of a thick layer of paint is not carried out or quick drying thinner is chosen. Friends, with the nozzle, we remove the remains of the polish and bring the part to shine. Friends, as you can see, no orange peel, no defects on the paintwork remain. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, but like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.